Let's get ready to rumble!
He's a stiff one, isn't it?
Come on, they're ready for me. So
I'm going to center on ball. No.
And next entry.
Inside. Inside. There's a real battle here.
Alright, inside.
All the focus on the man.
Watch on the board, there's a king of the Fire! You understand how some of that color board? Yes, yeah, right.
You're unlimited.
Just let me know when I call.
Sorry.
Stay right there. But don't collaborate right there. Don't collaborate. You're not choice to do that.
Middle of the Royal Rumble action.
Everybody
You stay right there. Can't move away.
All the big guns.
Yeah, stay quiet now. Let's stay quiet.
15 minutes running for all them. Yeah. One. 15 minutes. I look at them one.
There we go. One, somebody call you chest. I'm going to lie down here now. There we go. Very good, Daddy. Alright. Right in. One. There we go. Boy. Let me go, son. Let me go. Very good, Daddy. Right in. One. Let me go, son. Everybody go. Right in. Right, Daddy. One. Let me go. Good boy. Let me go. Everybody has a phone.
It's a Royal Rumble action here.
One.
Let me go.
Blackwood.
Ready, let me go.
In the center.
Come on, let me get to my noise, right?
Two cards from son. Everybody else on riding.
Kill him, Barry.
One. Let me go.
Kill him in the ass, Barry.
One. Let me go. Let me go, son. Ready. Right in, son. Right in. Boy. Let me go, son. Let me go. Ready. Come, Daddy. Come this side. Come on. We on this side. Let me go. Ready. Ready, son. One. Let me go again, son. One. Good boy. They didn't hear you. Talk to them. You're right. Let me go. Right in. One. Study them. That against me. Let me go. One. Son. One. Let me go. One. Good boy. Let me go, son. One. Let me go. Good boy. Again, come on, son. One. Good boy. Let me go, son. Right here. Come on. One. No. Hey.
Let's go in nice.
One. Let me go. Come on. That's the spine for now. One. One, right?
Yeah,
that's what I make sure.
The best event for the whole year. This event take the cake for the year.
For the whole season,
Whole season. 1 minute and 20 seconds.
Now we're talking about.
2 minutes and 20 seconds.
Hello.
All you put him outside.
Hey, don't call the time.
That timer's
That timer's outside the jump.
That timer, don't study the time. Take Whitey, take a picture of Whitey. We need to put on the headline. Don't need to in the center there.
Yes, that's
Don't stand up and stay
on the
right
bio.
there.
On the bio.
Don't stand up.
You need the bio, man. Guyana, Suriname, watching we. One. There we go, son. There we go, son. There we go, right in. Good. One on the outside. You're checking this one.
Hey, Barry.
You take it.
Check it out one day.
See up yourself. You like the pass. That's where you go. You like the pass. Inside. 5 minutes inside.
That was very fast.
96. Hello.
I don't give men road, Mr. Fight, more everything shit. Everything
Daniel, Royal Rumble first time.
First event like this I think we ever had, and the excitement, boy, this was really a thrill, boy. For sure I want to see it next year.
Iron Man run up against 9 bird.
Well, just getting hot seat today.
9 top class bird, not to say like you went up against some bad bird, some good.
Yeah, and the time of the day now is what, half 12?
Yeah, after.
Half 12, it's 1 o'clock.
1 o'clock.
Man, amazing.
Yeah, but how you feel about the excitement and the brotherhood and how the guys just come together for this new event?
Yeah, it was well put together in a spur at the moment with Bushman, moving daily. There's a couple of us, we just come up with the idea of doing it like this, and it was success.
So what do you think about these new ideas? These things the game need? The game needs people to come up with these new ideas and these fresh ideas.
Of course, and this is the way forward. Guys, just put their contribution together, and look how easy we had a very entertaining. This was very entertaining.
So what would you say to the Horquetta men and the efforts?
Yeah, job well done. For sure, job well done. They had a late start, and then the rain played its part as well, but for first time, the guys did really well.
Well, the mission today was for unity and to bring the Birdmen together, and I think that part of the job today was a success.
Yeah, for sure. It was really, I mean, it finished late, but it was a good show.
Yeah. So I just want to congratulate you. You win, you was in the hot seat, where you perform. Iron Man do it. Yeah, so we want to congratulate the Horquetta men and Englishman with this new category. This first Royal Rumble, spectacular. The Birdmen and them embrace it. Normally, you know, they resist change, but this was a good change. Hopefully to see it more in 2026. BirdmanTT, we out.
Nice.
BirdmanTT, we outside here with Bushman. The show has coming down to the end, prize giving. How you feel about the efforts of these fellas here down here in La Horquetta, right? First time.
Richard, I won't lie. Today, I expect. Boy, if I want to be honest with you, it was nice. It was great. We expect it was real professional, but it have a particular category that they implement into the bird competition, and I would like for we to go forward with that because it was real nice. I enjoyed the category. That category is real nice.
When we bring out the category in the week, there was a buzz. Everybody wanted to know, what is this Royal Rumble thing about? Well, you see, executed. How you feel about this Royal Rumble here in Greenvale?
Boy, that Royal Rumble is the best thing I ever come across. We as experienced birdmen do so much for this game already, and we never think about doing that, and then fellas think about it, and it was a success.
Well, as we were saying, fresh ideas coming into the game is what we need. Fresh blood, fresh ideas. We need the game to evolve and get better.
And that is what we need going forward in this game. That is what we need. You see the togetherness and the love. We lack in that, and we need to implement that and keep that on one pace and one level. We need that. And as of this day, that category, we're giving it a new name, the Greenvale Rumble. We'll keep that name for that category because partner, it was successful. It was really enjoying and we had a good time.
Well, in the Greenvale Rumble, it could be at the end of the year we come back to Greenvale and...
Yes, at the end of the year we'll come back to Greenvale and do it again.
So if it's 10 shows for the year and you come back 10 men, 10 winners, same Rumble?
Same Rumble, and it will always stay as the Greenvale Rumble because them is the guys who created and it was nice. Big up to these guys in La Horquetta who promote this category. It was a success and we will take advice from that and do the right thing. That was nice.
But you know, as Birdmen, first time show for big top Birdmen to come out and get them respect, that says volume about the men and the efforts here in La Horquetta.
That says a lot for the sport. We all on the intention to get in the game to go forward. And that's the main thing, the game to go forward, the happiness, the love and the respect for one another as fellow Birdmen.
And one of the main things, the fellows who miss out, they miss out.
Whoever miss out. Don't worry, we have a next time. All they could come next weekend in Bisakan show. That is Northman show. All they come down there this weekend. We'll implement that category into that show too to make it go nice. One love, BirdmanTT, respect.
The Greenvale Rumble, we just wrap.
Greenvale Rumble, we out.
We just wrap with Bushman, the Greenvale Rumble. He's promoting the Greenvale Rumble for next week. BirdmanTT, we out.
We out.
Don't forget the Tony Dan Bushman category. I didn't know that.
Greenvale.
That's last.